Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I am going to show you how you can stop auto update of Microsoft apps in your Windows 11. Some of the Microsoft Store apps starts auto updating your apps that consumes internet. So to stop auto updating of apps, I will tell you how you can do this. You have to go to search in the taskbar and type Microsoft Store app. After you search Microsoft Store, you have to open the Microsoft Store app. After you click on the Microsoft Store app. It's processing. After it gets open, on the top where you can see a profile image, you have to click on the profile. After you click on it, below you have to click on the settings. After you click on the settings, here you have the first option called app updates. You have to click on this to disable it. When you click, it will be get disabled and your auto updating of Microsoft Store apps will get stopped. I hope this worked in your Microsoft Store app too and it helped you. Thanks for watching this video.